You are welcome to yet another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you updates on the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Thursday, September 5th, 2019. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 27,252.09 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.257 trillion naira, meaning it depreciated by minus 0.25%. Equity markets maintained the downtrend as market sentiment and market breadth closed negative. This can be attributed to price depreciation in WAPCO, Zenith Bank and MTN Nigeria, among others. United Africa Company of Nigeria, UAC Properties and Cadbury were top gainers, while Ikeja Hotel, Honeyflower and PZ were among the top losers. Guarantee Trust Bank, FBN Holdings and Guinness were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMBQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.57 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 362 naira 25 kobo to a dollar, while the I&D FX rate opened at 361 naira 94 kobo and closed at 362 naira 19 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 716.98 basis points with a market capitalization of 515.11 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 423,193 and the value traded 58.298 million naira in 12 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displayed on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, the Finance Minister Mrs. Zainab Ahmed said the 2020 budget is currently receiving full attention by the federal government and should be ready by the end of September for onward submission to the National Assembly. The Buhari administration is working to ensure that it submits the 2020 budget early for prompt deliberations and passage that will aid effective implementation. Key market and economic events to watch. On the equities market watch list, Vertiva Research shares that with negative market breadth and diminishing market activity, the all-share index to extend its bearish trend to the last trading session of the week, leading to a negative week-on-week performance. However, valuations and technical analysis shows that price levels remain attractive for medium and long-term investors. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms shown on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a lovely day.